Good morning. Happy Friday. I'm reaching out to you today with a video because I see that you have not completed the enrollment verification activity and the orientation certificate upload. So I just want to take a quick minute and make this video for you and show you exactly what you need to do. So you should be able to see the Moodle course on your screen. And what you are going to do is you are going to scroll down until you find this Enrollment Verification Activity tab. You'll click that and you will click the Enrollment Verification Activity first. This is going to be a short little, a very few question quiz that you're going to answer questions for. So you'll scroll in here and click a button to start taking that quiz. Then when you're finished with that, you are going to click on the Upload Your NCC Orientation Certificate here. And if you have taken a course at Nash, an online course at Nash last spring or last fall, or you're taking another online course this summer and you've already done this, totally fine. You don't have to do the orientation again. You can just submit the actual certificate. But if you have not done the orientation, you will click on the link right here that says this link, and it will take you to a short little video, and it'll have you answer some questions, and then it will give you a certificate at the end, and that is what you upload here. You will upload it below. Now my screen's going to look a little bit different from yours because you're a student and I'm an instructor, but there'll be a section down here where you can drag and drop that certificate or upload it from an area on your computer. So those are the two things that have to be done prior to Tuesday, June the 1st, in order for you to be counted present in the course for the first time. And so these two items need to be done as soon as possible. And if you can get that done today, that would be awesome, because we move right into session 1, which is due on Wednesday. So if you do not do the enrollment verification stuff until the last minute, then you're going to be behind on getting session 1 done. I have sent an email with session 1 directions. I also recorded a video that is up here in the top of your Moodle page, Welcome and Getting Started video, that talks about some session 1 stuff. But your session 1 items will be in this section here marked session 1 getting started, and it's 3 items this week. So I hope that this was helpful, and I hope this was a great reminder. If you need some assistance, please email me. I know that it is a holiday weekend, but I do realize it's the first weekend of summer classes. So I am going to be active on email this weekend. I will be monitoring emails as they come in. It doesn't matter what time of day. Just shoot me an email and let me know that you need some help, and I'll be happy to assist you this weekend. Just please make sure that you set aside some time and you get this done quickly, so we're not waiting until the last minute and then that affecting our enrollment in the course or our success in getting session 1 due before the deadline. I hope that you have a fantastic weekend, and happy Friday.